Hello, my name is Tom Flax, and this is my Lbgtq presentation. Everyone should feel safe and respected. So, Lbgtq in rural America. As of right now, 3 to 5% of rural residents are Lbgtq. And many of these rural schools offer less Lbgtq supports than the urban schools. Compared to urban and youth schools, rural youth are 12% more likely to have heard gay used in a negative way. And they're also 12% more likely to have heard negative remarks about transgender people. Lastly, rural schools are 20% less likely to have a gay-straight alliance. Lbgtq in Kansas schools. Right now, bigger school districts are leading the way. Shawnee Mission, Olathe, Blue Valley, and DeSoto have all added non-discrimination language to their school board policies. Jacob Moyer, a former Shawnee Mission School District student, said this is about accepting people regardless of who they are, who they love, or who they identify as. Lbgtq in Kansas. Kansas is one of the 24 states that have a transgender inclusion policy that is in line with the GLSEN, which is the Gay, Lesbian, Straight Education Network. This right here is the transgender inclusion in high school athletics. It has many different things, and as you can see, Kansas is one of the 24 that has an inclusive policy in line with the model policy. The Kansas State High School Activities Association policy for transgender student participation is as follows. And it follows very similarly to the GLSEN. And I think some of the things, if you look on here, the areas of awareness for member schools, remember FERPA and HIPAA, have a plan in place, use correct names, pronouns according to students' self-identification, gender-appropriate restrooms or accessibility, locker room accessibility. Those things should be in place, or you should have those in place or be ready to have those in place because the Kansas schools do have these policies in place. What else can we do? Provide resources. The Trevor Project. The Trevor Project provides help, resources, education, how to get involved in a 24/7 hotline. This is a great website that has a load of information. You can, if you need help, if you're struggling with your your gay, lesbian identity, or your transgender, or if you just need to talk to somebody, this is a great outlet for somebody and provides great support. Okay, also the LGBTQ youth resources from the CDC. They've got many different outlets for you to have or to help support students or family members. Again, it has the Trevor Project, Crisis Intervention, and Suicide Prevention. Okay, LGBTQ is something that is becoming more regular. We need to be proactive, and we need to, provide a place for our students that they can feel safe and that they are able to, want to come to school and be in an environment that is going to help them with the struggles that they go through on a daily basis.